Hello, it's Carol here. So, today I'm going to show you how to generate an asset report. So, once you've logged into your Infraspeak platform, I'm going to ask you to head on over to the left-hand side menu and click on the Assets tab. Once you have your asset log right in front of you, you can choose the asset in which you want to access or generate a report on. So, I'm going to click this one here. And now there are two ways we can generate reports on our asset. So the first one, we can double click on our asset, okay, which will open up these asset details for us. And you can go straight up here to the reports section and choose if you want to download an asset report or if you want to download an asset measurement report, which would be in an Excel file. That's one option. So I'm going to close this one and go back to our asset log. Or you can click on the asset that you want to generate a report on and come on over here to the top. And here on the toolbar, you can click on reports and you'll have again the same options to generate a report. You can generate an asset report or you can generate an asset measurements report, which will be in an Excel format. Thanks for watching. Bye.